Chapter 4: Children's Day, Celebrating Education and Unity. Excitement filled the air as Kemi and her classmates prepared for Children's Day, a special celebration that united children across Nigeria. The school buzzed with vibrant decorations, and the joyful laughter of students echoed through the hallways. Kemi's teacher, Mrs. Adeoti, gathered the class to share the significance of Children's Day. "Today, we celebrate the rights of children and the importance of education," she explained. "It's a day for us to come together, learn from one another, and embrace the diversity that makes us unique." As Kemi and her classmates listened intently, Mrs. Adeoti highlighted the rights of children, emphasizing the importance of equality, safety, and access to quality education for every child. They discussed the role education played in shaping their future and empowering them to make a positive impact on society. With newfound knowledge and enthusiasm, the class began preparations for the Children's Day parade. Kemi's heart swelled with pride as she helped create banners and posters that showcased the value of education, unity, and children's rights. On the day of the celebration, Kemi and her classmates arrived at school dressed in colorful outfits that represented their diverse cultures. The school grounds were transformed into a festive hub, with music, dance, and laughter creating an atmosphere of joy and celebration. Kemi's heart skipped a beat as she joined the school parade. Together with her classmates, they marched proudly, holding their banners high, and chanting slogans that celebrated education and unity. The rhythmic beat of drums resonated through the air, infusing the parade with an infectious energy. As the parade concluded, Kemi and her friends gathered in the school courtyard, where an array of fun activities awaited them. They participated in relay races, face painting, and traditional games that showcased the rich cultural heritage of Nigeria. Kemi found herself engrossed in a game of Ayo, a traditional Nigerian board game. She played against her friend, Chika, who had roots in the Igbo culture. As they played, they exchanged stories and experiences, deepening their understanding of each other's backgrounds. Meanwhile, other classmates engaged in activities such as storytelling, arts and crafts, and learning traditional dances from different Nigerian tribes. The school became a melting pot of cultural exchange, fostering a sense of unity and appreciation for diversity. During a break, Kemi and her friends gathered under a shade tree, sharing their favorite childhood memories and dreams for the future. They realized that despite their different backgrounds, they shared common aspirations of happiness, success, and a better world. As the day drew to a close, Kemi and her classmates gathered in the school auditorium for a closing ceremony. They sang songs of unity and recited poems that expressed their hopes and dreams for a brighter tomorrow. Mrs. Adeoti took the stage and thanked everyone for their enthusiastic participation in Children's Day. She emphasized the importance of embracing diversity, fostering unity, and standing up for children's rights. With hearts full of gratitude and a sense of unity, Kemi and her classmates bid farewell to Children's Day. They carried with them the lessons learned and the memories forged during this celebration of education, unity, and children's rights. Walking back home, Kemi felt a profound sense of pride in being a part of such a vibrant and diverse community. She knew that the lessons learned and the friendships made on Children's Day would continue to shape her understanding of the world and inspire her to work towards a brighter future for all children. And so, with renewed determination, Kemi and her classmates looked forward to the next chapter of their Nigerian journey, where they would explore the beauty of Nigerian proverbs and learn the timeless wisdom they held.